Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in today's video, this is going to be another makeup tutorial video. In my last makeup tutorial, I did a red velvet inspired makeup look. I've got really positive feedback on that video and a lot of people loved that makeup look. So today I am going to do another Korean style makeup again, but this time I will be getting my inspiration from one of my favorite YouTubers who happens to be Korean, and that is Pony's Makeup. I'm sure a lot of you guys are already subscribed to her, are already following her. If you haven't, then maybe you can go ahead and do that. She's really awesome. What's different from today's makeup tutorial to the one that I did before is that in this makeup tutorial, all the makeups that I will be using today will be from a Guardian Malaysia. So I have decided that I will try to recreate this look right here that I found from Pony's Instagram, and I think it is achievable with the things that I've got here from Guardian. I try my best to make this Korean makeup look happen and work. So let's get on straight to the tutorial. Now that I have you guys really close to my face so that you guys can see what I'll be doing on my face. First of all, you have to prep. I will be using this Chriszen Luxury 24K Gold Ampoule. This will prep my skin, keep it moisturized before I put on any makeup on my face. After that, we're gonna move on to primer, and the primer that I will be using today is this Aprilskin Perfect Magic Face Starter. The primer is important for you to have a nice smooth base before putting on your foundation. The foundation that I will be using today is this Silkygirl Magic BB Cushion, and this is in the shade Natural Light. This BB cushion has very natural coverage. I still have some veins poking through over here, some blemishes, so I'm gonna cover it up with my favorite concealer, which is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm gonna use this one is in the shade Sand. There, all better. And for the brows, I will be using this Loreal Brow Artist Expert, and this is in the shade Brunette. Conceal my eyebrows a little bit just to make them a little bit more neat. Okay, now we go straight on to the eyes. Of course, in using any eyeshadow, it's best for you to use an eyeshadow primer first. So I will be using this Revlon Colorstay eyeshadow primer. This will make sure that your eyeshadow doesn't crease and it stays in place all day long. For eyeshadow, I wanted to use this Instant Glam eyeshadow palette from Catrice Cosmetics, but I realized that in this eyeshadow palette, there's no matte colors at all. All of them are shimmer. So I'm gonna use the help of this Rimmel Magnif'eyes Spice Edition Eye Contouring Palette. This one has quite a few matte shades, so I'm gonna use this matte brown shade right here as a transition shade. I'm gonna use this brown shades here, these two shades. I'm gonna use the lighter shade and apply it on my mobile eyelids. Next, I'm gonna take the darker brown color on top and I'm gonna apply it on the outer edge of the eyes just to give it a little bit more dimension. I'm just gonna drag the color into the lower lash line as well. And then I'm gonna take this deeper brown color and I'm gonna apply it just right on the outer corners of the eyes, like really outer corners. I'm gonna take the color that I use here again and I'm gonna apply it on the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm gonna drag it to the lower lash line as well. Done with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna move on straight to the mascara. The mascara that I will be using today is the Revlon Ultra Volume Mascara. volume to my lashes. Since in the photo I can see that she wore eyelashes, so this gives me an opportunity to put on some eyelashes as well. So I'm gonna quickly put on my falsies and I'll be right back. Okay, done with the falsies. I'm gonna continue with contouring my face, and to do that I'll be using this Maybelline V-Face Duo Stick.
Wait a minute.
Korean makeup usually don't contour that much. This is definitely less than what I usually do, but since this is a Korean kind of makeup look, I'm gonna stop contouring right here. I'm gonna move on to the blush. For blusher today, I will be using this really cute Canmake Glow Fleur Cheeks blusher. I think that's pretty nice and cute. Oh my god, I totally forgot to do eyeliner, and actually in her picture, obviously she did eyeliner. So I'm gonna do eyeliner now. The eyeliner that I'm using is this Line to 5 waterproof eyeliner pen from W7. Okay, almost done. Time for the lips. I'll be using this Palladio herbal lipstick in the shade Rosy. Korean makeup wouldn't be Korean makeup without the ombre lips, so I will be using this Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Firestarter. And of course, one final step to make sure that my makeup stays in place. I'm gonna spray my face with this Rimmel Insta Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting spray, and we're done. So here it is. Here is the final look. This is the Korean inspired makeup. I know it's not 100% same as Pony's makeup right here. She did a bomb job, but I tried to create that look but using all of this makeup that I can find in Guardian. And I think even so, it's still a pretty lovely look. This is definitely something that you can recreate. And of course, all of the products that I have used in this video are super affordable. You can get them at your local Guardian stores or even online if you can't find them in stores. Good luck in trying this look. I hope you are also inspired to recreate this look right here. All of the products that I have used in this video will be listed in the description box below, so do check them out. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, you can always click on the subscribe button below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye-bye!